Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python membership operators. So we have two membership operators, in, not in. So first of all, what are operators in Python programming? So operators are special symbols which are used to perform operations on values in a program. For example, 10 plus 20. So here 10, 20 are values and plus is the operator. So now coming to membership operator, in, not in. So membership operators, they will check whether a particular value is available in a collection or data structure. Okay, any collection or data structure, right? So it gives the answer as true or false. So let us try to take this same example. Okay, SS hello, H is available in SS, true. List 1, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. So 44 not in list 1, false, because 44 is available in list 1. So let us do this with a small program. So first write comments at the beginning of the program. SS hello string, H in SS, true. List with 5 elements, print 44 not in list 1, false. Save the program in your working directory. Come to the prompt where you have saved the program and run it. Python membership operator example1.py. Right, run it. So H in hello, true. 44 not in given list, false. So this is how we are supposed to work with in, not in operators in Python program, which is technically known as membership operator. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.